guys, welcome to another episode of Gimme Them Keys. If you've been watching my channel, you saw the episode before this. I kind of featured this car a little bit and I told him I was going to drive it, so we're driving it now. So instead of sounding redundant, I'm going to do a little flashback on what we talked about so you know what car we're doing. So what's the quick rundown of this car? It's 1J, obviously.
Yeah, DVTI 1J, CD009. It's got a built bottom end, stock head, cams, E85, power FC, Tomei turbo.
Yeah.
That's the cool part about the car. The rest is just beat up shitty LS at this point. But right now, it's putting down 500 to the wheels.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Like 23 pounds of boost. So.
Damn. Is it hooked? Should I be?
It's pretty straight.
Yeah. All right.
It's got 245s and like zero camber in the back. And
all right.
Club stiff, you know.
Well, I'm excited for that.
Yeah, man. It's fun. It's just beat up as hell now.
That's what's up.
So, gets the job done.
So as you can see, we're in a 1J. It looks like a show car. It can probably be passed as a show car, but it's actually a drift car. And don't adjust your colors. The windows really are yellow. So I'm not gonna do anything crazy yet. Just gotta get used to the car. There's a lot of vibration in here. It's got a lot of solid mounts. I mean, it beats on it, so it needs that stuff. And he's got these ride seats in here, and they're definitely not made for me because I can barely squeeze in these things. But you know what? That's fine. I'll get by. So when he said it made 500 wheel horsepower, I'm expecting this car to go all over the place. So I'm definitely going to be careful with it. Don't want to damage his car. Don't want to spin out on the highway or anything like that. But I do want to know what it feels like because I need to be prepared. Because my car will probably make about the same thing. I did let the car warm up a little bit, so I'm going to do a little half hit. Oh! God! That was half throttle. Oh my God, what did I just get myself into? This thing's gonna be insane, dude. Here we go. I'm not gonna lie, that was still like 60-70%. I wasn't sure what it was gonna do, so I didn't want to go all out. This thing feels crazy. I will gladly accept the ticket today. Jesus Christ. I feel like it's a little laggy, but when it hits, hold on. Now I see why everybody does 1Js. That feels and sounds amazing. This is ridiculous. I'm so glad he let me drive this car. Thank you, Johnny, for letting me drive this car, and thank you for trusting me to drive this car, because I don't think anybody can just drive this car. I'm gonna be honest with you. Thank everybody that trusts me to drive their car. Why do y'all trust me so much? Thank you, but why? Get back into it. Of this car. Going straight is not the purpose of this car. It's supposed to go sideways, stay in boost, slide all over the damn place. And I know it does that because Johnny does it well. He's one of my favorites. The Heat Lightning team is one of my favorites. I love watching them. They all have brown 1J sedans. They're all uniform. They're all great. They stay together. They do team events. I mean, they're an awesome team. I love that team. Definitely a big fan of Heat Lightning. And letting me drive this car right now is, I'm hyped right now. That's all I can say. I'm like super hyped. This is fourth. Jesus, dude. Definitely is a lot of vibrations in here. I get it, it's a race car, but man, this thing is insane. Of course you get that awesome blow-off sound. You know I love that. I can daily this car. I don't care about the vibrations. The vibrations is the last thing I'm worried about right now. It kind of hurts my neck. I'm suing. Dude, I love this car, dude. I love this car. See, when it comes to E36s, and a lot of people, when they boost them, they either just do turbo M52 or they do a 1J. And me, you know, I'm Beamer biased, not gonna lie. I was always like, I'm just gonna do the M52. Driving this 1J got me thinking. Now I'm already in my M52 build. I'm gonna finish the M52 build. And then, woo, it popped, woo. And then I can compare and see which one I really like better. But right now, this 1J is crazy. And the sound is insane. This thing is so addicting, man. I just want to do this over and over again. Makes me happy. Boost makes me happy. That's no secret. Jesus Christ. That was fifth. Fifth gear is putting me back in my seat right now. There it goes. That feeling. Woo! Like I said, man, this is not a straight line car, but I can do pulls up and down the highway all day long in this car, man. This is ridiculous. I can only imagine how fun it is drifting this thing, because it's sick, man. chills down my body. Alright, well, I think it's gonna do it for this episode. I'm gonna head back to a shop. I'm right around the corner. I think close to the shop is like a police department or something over there. I see a lot of cops in the area, so I'm not gonna do anything crazy. If I can get out of the ticket, I will. But thanks for watching this episode. This is definitely going in my top 15 list. Y'all stay tuned to see where I put this. But this car has really got my blood going right now. And yeah, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and you know what? I don't give a damn about a car. Come get me, officer. Jesus Christ, man! Oh, my chest. No, I can't breathe. I can't breathe, bro. I'm not gonna sleep tonight. Woo! My God. What's going on, guys? Like I said, no need to go on a long explanation. If you can see the expression on my face that I really enjoy this car, and it's definitely going on my top 15 list. This is the top 15 list as of now. This is gonna be, I think, number 6. I think it's gonna be right above Tay's M4. So right below, I dropped it. So right below Myrna's Evo, and just above Tay's M4. That car was extremely fun. I love the boost. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Deuces.